Welcome to IBTV. Today I will be showing you guys the new pure cotton with FlexFoam from Always. I have been using this kind of pads my whole life. Recently I've been using this one, Always Radiant with Avic FlexFoam. Currently I'm using the light clean scent. These ones do not have a scent. Let's get started. Okay, these are the new pads from Always, pure cotton with flex foam. They're only come in two sizes, 1 and 2. This is a regular flow. It has flexi wings, 100% cotton, and they are unscented. This is the big pack that has 28 pads. This is the small pack. This is size 2. It has 12 pads. I was not able to find a bigger box. Let's look at the packaging. Aren't these colors amazing? These are so beautiful. The blue with the white and the light blue or green. Look at that. Okay, here's some more information about how the pads are made. What I like about the new boxes is that they have where to open them now. You can, it says open here. And wow, look at this. Oh, look at this color, so beautiful compared to the other boxes that you just have to open on the top, just like this. And yeah, so I was just looking where to open it, but yeah, it's here. I think I made a mistake, but yeah, this is how you open it. And then there's more information, the best of science and nature. Open here, and the same color. This is such a beautiful color. So comparing the colors, I like this clean color, blue, green, or in white, but I also like the colorful one. We are going to compare it. I wonder what's the difference. Size 2, it feels more bulky. The new pure cotton has 0 feel and 0 leaks. The Radiant Flex Foams have 100% leak and odor free. This one feels a lot thinner than the new one. The new one, it just feels like a lot softer. It feels like a cotton ball. When you touch a cotton ball and you squeeze it, it's like very squishy. Pure cotton feels a little bit thicker than the other regular ones. It's just the difference is the color, and it's made out of a cotton, and for me it feels like it has a clean color. This is size number 2. It's a little longer. It's a little longer than the size number 1. I think I will be using size number 2 because it's a little longer. For the price of this one, 28 pads, it will be $6.97 at Walmart. 12 pads will be like $3.97. I'm gonna give this a try. They look pretty comfortable, and thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoy my review on Always Pure Cotton with FlexFoam. Don't forget to click that like button, that subscribe button, and don't forget to share for someone who wants to try the new Always, or who is looking for something that is thinner and cotton, 100% cotton, and unscented pads. Here it is, Always. Thanks for watching.